In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut out a picture here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. First off, we're going to need a picture that we want to cut out part of the image. So let's come up to Elements. I have this picture just here with this funny dog, just like that. Now, what we're going to do is click onto the picture like this. Then we're going to come up to Edit Photo, and we're going to use some of the Magic Studio features. Now please bear in mind that Magic Studio is a Canva Pro feature, and if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, there will be a link down in the description. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase, I will make a small commission. Now, like I said, there's two different ways that we can do this. The first way is by using this magic grab. Now, if we click on here, what this is going to do is pull this from the background. So let's go ahead and click on there. And now that has been removed and basically cut out of the image, because now we can move this separate from the background. Then we can delete the background like this, and we have our animal all cut out. Now that's one way that we can do this. The second way is, if we put the picture back onto the canvas like so, is just by using background remover. So again, we're going to want to click onto the image, come up to Edit Photo, then we can use this background remover just here, and now the background has been removed, technically cutting this out of the picture. So, as you can see, it's pretty simple to actually cut out pictures here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.